You've spent thousands of hours learning to sketch. Your renderings look absolutely insane. Car design is your entire life. So why do you keep getting the same soul-crushing rejection email for your dream internship? Thank you for your interest, but you're starting to thinking you're just not good enough. But what if the problem isn't your talent? What if the problem is that your portfolio is screaming, hire me for a senior design job? That's the single biggest mistake you can possibly make. In this video, I'm going to show you why that's killing your chance and how you can fix it right now. Right now, you're doing what everyone thinks is the right move. You're making every project look like it's ready to be reviewed on a stage in Geneva. You're spending weeks, maybe even a month on one flawless final render. You're building a portfolio that's designed to screen one thing: I'm an expert. I'm already a finished product. You think this level of polish shows you're ready to play in the big leagues. But here's the brutal truth. For internship, that's the worst message you can send. Studios are not looking for an intern who thinks they have all the answers. They're looking for a raw material. They want to find pure potential. When a hiring manager sees a portfolio that's too polished and too perfect, it's actually a massive red flag. They see someone who won't take feedback, someone who isn't flexible, and someone who doesn't get that the whole point of an internship is to learn and grow inside their system. This is where it all goes wrong. You're using a strategy to get a full-time senior job for a role that's all about learning, and it's destroying your chances. A portfolio for a full-time job is meant to show you're an expert who can make an impact on day one. It's all about showing off specialized, production-ready work. It's about proving your value with a track record of perfect execution. An internship portfolio has a completely different mission. Its only goal is to show your potential, how you think, and that you're teachable. Studios want to see how your brain actually works. They want to see your passion and your raw ability to solve problems. They are not hiring you for what you can do on your first day. They are hiring you for the designer you could become after 6 months of their mentorship. Your portfolio isn't the finished move. It's the action-packed trailer that makes them desperate to see what happens next. And hey, if this is making sense to you, do me a favor and smash that like button. It seriously helps the channel and tells me I'm making stuff you actually want to see. So, how do we fix this? How do we change your portfolio from I'm finished product to I have crazy potential? Here are 3 steps you can take today. First, show your process, not that just find a pretty picture. Seriously, instead of just one perfect hero render, fill the pages with your massive sketches, your mind maps, your research, and all the key drawings that show how you think. The story of how you went from a blank page to a final car is a million times more valuable to a hiring manager than the final image alone. It proves you have a creative mind, not just good software skills. Second, show that you're versatile. Instead of 2 super detailed sports cars projects, show some range. Throw in a small EV commuter project, a crazy interior concept, or a unique solution for future mobility. This proves you're a flexible thinker who wants to solve all kinds of design problems, which is exactly what an intern does. And third, write your project description to tell a story of learning. Don't just say, here's a sports car for brand X. Frame it like a challenge. Say, The mission was to design a sports cars that felt like brand X, but with an all new electric architecture. My first idea was, and then talk about the problems you hit and why you learn it, trying to solve them. This screams enthusiasm and a growth mindset, which are the exact things they're desperate for an intern. Now, stop trying to sell yourself as the perfect senior designer. You're not applying for that job. Instead, be proud that you're developing talent. Show them you're hungry, show them your creative process, and show them your massive potential. Your portfolio is not a gallery of your greatest hits, it's the origin storage of the amazing designer you're about to become. Make it a story they want to invest. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. So, what's the single biggest thing you're struggling with in your portfolio? Drop a comment below and let's figure out together. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and drop the like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.